Would you like to save time and vinyl? Why not cut all of your designs at once per color? Let me break this down for you. Let's say that you have enough orders or you're crafting a project and you want to cut this unicorn, this horse, this dog, this goat, and this chicken. Instead of sending each one individually to your cutter and reloading your vinyl each time, it's going to save you time both cutting on your machine, cutting your design out, and just in general time of cutting them all at once, and save you the vinyl because you won't have extra trash to cut out. You're going to combine all of these and put them on one page. Let me show you how this is done. So let's say that we're going to drop all of these images onto this unicorn page. Now, let's say, for argument's sake, all of this is going to be cut out of the same colored vinyl. Let's just say white vinyl. So we're going to go to this horse and we're going to make sure that it's selected. We're going to go up to edit and we're going to do copy. We're going to go to the unicorn page and then we're going to hit paste. And that's dropped onto this. Now, you also can X out of these once you're done with it just to keep track. But then you're going to repeat this process for every design that you want to cut out of the same color. Now, just so you know, you can also use keyboard shortcuts. So instead of going up here and hitting copy and then paste, you can use the keyboard shortcuts of clicking and holding control, which is the CTRL button, and hitting the C button quickly and letting go, and then going over to unicorn, and you're going to hit control just like you did before, and then hit the V button, and it will paste it using your keyboard shortcuts. This works a little bit faster for me, but you can do it either way. Again, you can go up to edit and hit copy and then paste, or on your keyboard, you can hit Control C and let go, and then go to your other page and hit Control V and let go. There you go. So then you have all of the images that you have to cut at once. Now, if you're crafting this for yourself, it really doesn't matter if you would cut all of these images out. But let's say that you're doing this for an order or you're gifting. Things always look better when they're cut out in squares. So I like to click and drag and rearrange all of these items. You also can use your keyboard left, right, up, and down buttons if you want a closer move instead of using your mouse. But I like to rearrange all of these following this guideline so I can make sure I cut them out in perfect squares. Now, this way, instead of cutting all those different designs, I'm going to be cutting this out one time, and I will just be using an 8 by 12 piece of vinyl. So it's saving me time and vinyl. You also can go up and rotate these multiple times to make them fit in a little game of Tetris to also be able to cut out less.